KOMK. Here I am. Thanks for checking it out. Today I want to talk about the importance of having your own office, studio, workshop, study room, whatever it may be, but the importance of having your own space. Now, some of you may have a flat or live in a house where you have your own room, like a separate room, and that's your kind of office, your den, study room, something like that, and that's great. And that's also if that's the spot you have, then you got to use that. But I'm also kind of talking about, like, now I have a place that's outside of my flat. If you remember, before I would do videos basically in my living room, and that's great. But now I have my own space, and the importance of having this space has a lot of benefits. There's a lot of benefits to it. One of them is that it's just you, right? When you're at home, even if you got your own separate room and a little space at the house, stuff like that, you still can be distracted. You still could have somebody knocking on your door, coming in, if you have pets, if you got children, if you have a partner that you live with or something like that. There's always the opportunity for distraction. And that's what, and not that another space outside there won't be any distractions, of course, but you kind of feel like it's easier to be distracted when you're at home, because you want to go out when you go, want to get something to eat or whatever it may be. You're also at home, so you can feel tempted to, sit on the sofa maybe a little too long, take a nap, whatever it may be. And I think having another place outside of the home, because it's just it's less, you're able to focus more. You're able to, there's less opportunity for distraction, I think. So that's a big thing. That's a big thing. Another thing of it is that you set up your environment to where when you come in, you know that this space is for what objective. In other words, like for me, this space, maybe make some videos and stuff like that, and that's great. But a big part of it is for studying, reading, writing, and creating on what I do. And I know that when I walk in here, the moment I walk in, put my bag down, take my mask off, close that door, I just go to work. And I have a checklist of things I need to do, and I move forward on that. For my time here, I don't have to spend a lot of time here, because the time that I am here, I'm focused on what I'm doing. So I'm actually working, and I think that's what happens, is that you become more efficient, and you're more effective as to what you want to do, what you want to create, because you're in your creation, your creative space. And so that's important with this spot, because I have a job. I don't have a spot where I'm relying on it to make me money and to make an income from it. While there's an opportunity maybe down the road for some extra income, another stream of income, there's no pressure for me for this place. You know what I mean? It's for me to work and create and do my thing. It's not about anything else. And that relieves that pressure. That makes it feel, the moment you come in and you think about the space, you're not thinking about, oh, I got to make some money from this. I hope it works out, or else, I got this overhead now and everything like that. And it's not like that. It's not like that. And it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. I've had other businesses. I've had other shops, bars. I mean, I've had businesses, and it's a pressure situation, because no matter what you do, you're hoping to make money from it. And when it doesn't work out the way you plan or would like for it to work out, then it's an issue. All right. So this has no pressure. It's a positive environment. That's a big thing about it, is that you create a positive environment. Which brings me to the last part, is don't make it a hangout spot. Don't make it that, that man cave and that place maybe if you have a garage or something like that, or you got a little hangout spot. Don't make it into a hangout spot. Because then the idea of coming to your space changes. Then next thing you know, you come here and maybe you come there and you want to start partying or waiting, calling people to come over because you got a cool place away from home or something like that. You can't turn it into a hangout spot. It's a place for work, for you to create and to keep, doing what you do. I'm not saying you got to use it in the same way that I do, but I think just having a space away from home. It's small. I mean, my spot, I'm gonna do a little walkthrough here, not today, but it's small. I mean, it's 120 some square feet. It's tiny, but that's okay because it suits my needs. So, with that point is that you don't have to find some big place, some huge space that is a stress for you financially. All right, just a place that fits within your budget. Things like that, and you can make it work. I have a couple private students that I'll be teaching here, and that covers the rent. And again, I got my full-time job, so I'm not worried about the financial situation of it. All right, but at the same rate, a couple students pays for the place, and then it's a free space for me. So the space, you gotta have a space that's yours. To work at, to create, to be you, to get away, even a little reading room maybe if that's what you need. All right? KOMK, KOMK. Peace.